Hi, this is Ashley Shepherd of Shep Publishing, and today I'm going to show you a book launch template that I've designed that's a part of my book launch success kit. And so in this template, it's a place where you can document everything that you need for your book launch and book release process. And so once you open it, then you'll see across the top, we have our headers of the item, our estimate, because we know sometimes things don't always work out as planned. And so we have an estimated price and then the actual cost of that price. Then any details or descriptions that you might need to take notes of. And then if there's something else that's not yet calculated, like if you're not quite sure, you can add a little X in that column. Then on each of the categories, I've gone through and added little notes for you to make sure that you are doing as best as possible to estimate these costs. Some of the items have links on them so that they are a little easier for you to get to. And I've given recommendations of places that I've used that have helped me be successful. At the bottom, there is a place for you to put in your gross sales, so your total amount of money that you have made. And then once you have added your prices here, it'll deduct that from here, so that way you can kind of see what is actually happening and how much money you made. So if you don't already have this as a part of the success kit or individually, check out the link that's attached to this video. Thank you.